Straight-talk hotspot disconnections often result from band issues. The 2.4 GHz band offers wider range but suffers interference from devices like microwaves, while 5 GHz provides faster speeds but shorter range. Weak signals occur due to distance from cell towers or obstructions. Straight-talk plans may also throttle speeds after a data limit is reached, causing perceived disconnections. Recent firmware updates and hardware refreshes, like the Alcatel Link Zone 5G, have improved connection stability through AI-driven band optimization. To fix disconnections, manually switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands depending on your environment. Use 5 GHz when close to the hotspot for better speed, and 2.4 GHz for greater range. Reposition the hotspot away from metal objects and electronics to minimize interference. Ensure the hotspot is within 20 to 30 feet of devices and has a clear line of sight to the nearest cell tower. Update the hotspot's firmware through the My Account app and enable Smart Connect for automatic band switching. Regularly monitor your data usage to avoid throttling. If problems persist, reset the hotspot by holding the power button for 10 seconds.